you have a new bike?
Yes, do you like it?
Yes, very much, but I like transport in general.
For example?
I really like trains. They're fast, and I can look at the landscape from the window.
Nice! I, on the other hand, love planes. They fly high in the sky and can take us to faraway places.
That's true. I took a plane to go to Belgium.
I took one to go to Spain.
There are also ships, which are huge and travel on the sea. Have you ever taken a ship?
Yes, I once took a ferry to go to an island. It was fun. What about you?
I went on a boat to go around a lake. They are much lighter and smaller than ships.
There are also cruise ships, which are even bigger.
Right, and then there are cars and buses, which we use almost every day. I go to school by bus, for example.
I ride a bike instead. It's an eco-friendly mode of transport and it's good for your health.
Yes, that's true, but mine is broken.
You can borrow one if you like.
Thanks, Molly. When I grow up, I want a motorbike. My uncle has one, and it's super fast.
Yes, but you always have to wear a helmet. I prefer scooters. They're lighter.
And then there's the underground. It runs beneath the city and doesn't have to stop at traffic lights. It's so fast.
Yes, I took it when I went to London. There, they call it the Tube.
And let's not forget lorries, which transport heavy things like food, furniture, and building materials.
Right, and there are also emergency vehicles, like ambulances and fire trucks.
Do you know what I think is one of the most spectacular vehicles? The helicopter.
Wow, it would be so cool to ride in one.
Yes, every vehicle has its purpose. It would be great to try them all.
Yes, but always remember to travel safely and respect the rules of the road.
Right, and now, shall we go and play? I'll be the captain and you will be the passenger.
Yes, Captain. Ready to go.